Sai Ram Chalu. Okay, it has started. So first thing that we did not do in the last class was that I didn't share the class edge video, Tata class edge video. So I'm sharing it right now. Soon after it gets over, we'll come to the exercise. As Akhil has just informed me that we are on exercise of this only. Somebody can guide me if it is visible.
Sir, it is.
Okay.
The Prakhar.
Sir, Akhil.
The Prakhar.
Macavity,
Prakhar.
the mystery cat. The poet describes a cat that commits crimes but never gets caught. Macavity the cat is a criminal. He is also known as Hidden Paw because he has never been caught red-handed. The police are unable to lay their hands on Macavity because he disappears from the crime scene before they arrive. Macavity has not only broken every possible human law, but also the law of gravity because he disappears into thin air after committing a crime. The police look for him everywhere but fail to find him. Macavity is easy to recognize because he is tall and thin. His eyes are sunken and his brows have deep lines because he is constantly plotting and planning. He looks unkempt but is sly. He deceives people by pretending to be half asleep while he is actually wide awake. The poet concludes that Macavity is a demon in the form of a cat.
Sir, your presentation is not visible.
Is this word file visible now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the exercise. I will be sharing this page on your WhatsApp group. I'll share it. But before I share, I would like somebody to try and answer the questions given in textbook. Okay, I'm stopping to share it from here. I just wanted to show. I'll put it on your WhatsApp group. But it's unfair to show answers directly. Yes. Can somebody read first question in the textbook?
Samya. The Prakhar.
Prakhar, I don't know who is Prakhar.
Prakhar Modi.
And turn the camera on.
Okay, sir.
Come to the screen.
Just 2 minutes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, Samya, I read.
This is Prakhar. And Prakhar is not in uniform.
Sorry, sir.
He should be in uniform, beta. Chalo. What is the first question?
Read the first stanza and think. Is Macavity a cat really?
Okay. What is the opinion of the class? Do you think Macavity is a cat really?
No, sir, it is cunning cat.
No, sir.
No, sir.
So because, sir, it is a fictional cat made by a poet. Made by the poet.
created by. It's a fictional cat, not actually cat. Then what it is, or who it is, if not cat?
Sir,
Sir, may I?
so may I?
Just a minute.
Sir, may I?
If you all speak together, there will be a problem. I'll allow you one by one. If you want to speak, there are two ways. Either you raise hand here in the nod, or you write I in the chat section, then I'll allow somebody. Ankush Yadav. Ankush Yadav, unmute and speak. What do you want to say?
Yes, sir. Sir, Macavity is a fictional character which is created by the poet.
Okay, that I understood. Some of you have already. My question is.
Sir, may I? Chahit.
Repeat my question. Okay, who wants to answer? It is
Sir, Chahit. Niyati.
Shahid first and then Niyati.
Sir, he can be an expert thief or criminal.
Okay. Maybe a thief, a criminal. Okay. What do you want to say, Niyati?
Yes, sir. Sir, Macavity is a fictional character whose actions resemble those of crooks.
Crook. Okay. Those who do wrong things, unfair things, illegal things, those who commit crime, those who sometimes hurt others, injure others, all such criminals, all such crooks are represented by this cat Macavity by T.S. Eliot. Did you want to say this, Niyati?
Yes, sir.
Can I add corrupt people also to this list? Those who do corruption, those who commit crime, they all come here in this category. And he simply to symbolize or to symbolically explain has referred to a cat and gave it a name Macavity. Do you agree with this? All?
Yes, sir.
Now, my another question is, why cat only? Why not some other animal or another creature? Why cat only?
Sir, because
May I, Akhil?
This Palak M started from, then Akhil.
Sir, because cats are so naughty.
So naughty. This
Yeah.
naughty word takes it to a little innocent side or a little positive side. Yes, Akhil?
The cats are mainly, sir, expert in stealth and attack. So maybe, sir, in committing crimes, the Macavity does like that stealth and attack, and that's why the poet used the cat for his poem.
These crooks, criminals, corrupt are compared with cats because cats have some such qualities that help the poet to compare them with it.
Yes, sir.
Right? Now,
The cats are very selfish also.
yes, maybe selfish, maybe cunning, maybe clever, maybe quick, maybe alert, maybe expert. And a phrase has been used in the beginning, in the very first line, the hidden paw. Pause. When it moves, when it walks, it is hardly heard by anybody. Nor does it leave any foot mark. Paw marks are not left on the ground. So it is hard to identify who came and who committed crime. That's why it is called hidden paw. Power of levitation. Power of levitation because when they jump, their leap is so long Their leaf is so long that if seen from downside, if seen from a distance, it appears, it seems as if they are soaring in the air. They are in a flight. Other creatures, when they jump, it appears like they jump, but they have got some extra capability. They are extra quick, they are extra swift, agile, and they seem cunning. You would have observed cats at home in your neighborhood outside. Sometimes you leave something that is eatable or some milk is left. How do cats try to approach, and how do cats try to steal that milk or something like that? So seeing all these things in cats, poet felt like comparing it with it. I hope it is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Prakhar, next question.
So next question.
Yes.
So the Scotland Yard is baffled because.
Scotland Yard in the previous class we discussed. Yes, Shahid wants to answer.
Yes, sir. So it fails to get a clue about the criminal.
That's why it is. It's a bafflement for them. They are expert. They are the most trusted police service in the world, Scotland Yard. But for them also, finding out a criminal as expert as a cat, as McCavity, it's very difficult for them to find it out. And that's why they are baffled. Okay? Niyati is saying something. What do you mean, Niyati?
Sir, this question is second part, not first part.
Okay, no problem. He read it first. He should have read another question. No problem. Order may be changed. Yes, next question. Rakhar, what is the next question?
Yes, sir. A dash because McCavity moves much faster than them. Sir, may I?
Sir, Shahid.
Sir, because sir, it the scene of crime. The McCavity, no one catch McCavity. That's no one catch McCavity.
Fine.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Next. Sarvagya wants to say something?
Yes,
sir,
second question's first part.
Okay, no problem. Order may be changed. We can
Sir,
ask
may
that
I?
question. Yes.
A master criminal is one who doesn't caught by anyone.
Who commits crime and disappears from the scene of crime, and no police, no intelligence service is able to catch or find or arrest. Such criminals are master criminals. Okay? Many students have expressed their wish to speak. Shahid has already spoken, Prakhar has spoken, Sarvagya has spoken. Niyati, yes, Niyati.
Yes, sir. Sir, who defy the law?
Defy.
Defy the law.
Very skillfully. And is not caught, doesn't leave any proof, then he may be considered as a master criminal. Not only everybody who defies law skillfully, deceives police, deceives intelligence, and is not caught. Next question.
So may I?
Okay, read the next question.
A cat, I am sure, could walk on the cloud without coming through. Which law is McCavity breaking in the light of the comment above?
May I?
Sir, may I?
Law of gravity.
Beta, don't speak like this. The best way is write I in the chat section. I'll see your names and I'll call your names. Okay. If you all unmute and start speaking like this, then there's a problem. Sarvagya, then Chahid.
Sir, law of gravity.
Law of gravity. Okay. Chahid, you also
Sir,
wanted to...
Sir, Newton's law of gravity, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, law of gravity. Neville, how many of you watch WWE?
Sir, Shahid.
Only one boy. There's a wrestler from Britain. His name is Neville, the man who gravity forgot. Do you remember? No, you don't. That means you don't watch WWE regularly. Chalo. Next question, beta.
Read stanza 3 and then describe activity in 2 or 3 sentences of your own.
Okay. Not like this. For this question, I want everybody to write in the chat section. Write this answer in the chat section. I'll go through. Describe McCavity in 2 to 3 statements, 2 to 3 lines, 2 to 3 phrases, based on stanza 3. Good, come on, keep on writing. Prakhar says McCavity is a ginger cat. Chahid says McCavity is a very cunning and cautious cat. He is tall and thin. His eyes are sunken in, his forehead is wrinkled and his head is dome-like. His coat is soiled. Hair on his cheeks is not combed. Okay. He has mentioned almost everything that is given. No one else is writing answer? Yes, yes. Aniket wrote. Then Sarvagya also wrote. Good. Others may also try. Pranav Pradhan has written a long answer. Mysterious ginger cat who is very tall and thin with sunken eyes. His brow is deeply lined with thought and he has a highly domed head. He has a dusty coat and his whiskers are uncombed. Okay, fine, good. Meenaksha Sharma has also posted an answer. Ankush has also.
Sir?
Akhil?
Sir?
हाँ बेटा बोल चाहे बोल.
Sir,
Yes,
the
sir.
wrestler you are talking about, sir, his nickname is Pac, sir.
Whose nickname बेटा?
Sir, PAC. Sir, the wrestler Neville.
No. I was talking about Neville. I don't know his nickname. Forget about him. Leave it.
Yes, sir, he was saying something.
Akhil, open your chat section.
Yes, sir.
Open. Now, the answer to this question was first posted by Chahid. So, scroll it up and go to Chahid. He posted answer at 1:48 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Now, bring your cursor here and start selecting it. And start selecting all the answers.
Okay, so just a second.
Selected.
Yes, sir.
Now, right click and copy.
Okay.
Copied.
Hmm.
Now minimize the screen.
So just a second. Yes, sir.
On your desktop, open new Word file.
New word.
Word file.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Do you know how to open a new file?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
open.
Open. Now paste this
Paste.
in the file. Paste it.
Yes, sir. Sir, done.
Are all answers visible on that?
Hmm.
Now you can save it and send it on my WhatsApp number. I'll post it to the class.
Okay.
All the answers written by students.
Okay.
Okay. So you can send it on my WhatsApp. Then I'll post in the class group. Now next time, whenever I ask you to write an answer here in the chat section, I expect Akhil to do this thing.
Okay, sir.
All the responses can be copied easily in a second. Okay, you can make a Word file, give the name so that we can identify what question was there or what was that about. And then you can send it to me. There will be a record. Okay, and I'll be sending it on your class group so that you can refer to it once again. Once it's something is written here in the chat, as soon as the class gets over, everything is lost. We don't have any
Sir,
record.
I saved it.
Huh? Okay,
Sir, I
good.
saved it.
Good. Everybody can save, but if one student takes this responsibility, then it can be kept at one place. Yes.
Sir, sir, on the drive, all messages are saved.
But yes, beta. All messages are saved, but going to drive and finding out, keeping everything in a file is a different thing. If we make a Word file and if we put it in the classroom, then it will always be there. Okay? You can take it from there also, there is no harm in it. Chalo, next question. Are all the questions over?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Read the next question.
Say false. Sir, may I?
Yes, Niyati.
Say false or true for each of the following statements. First, McAvity is not an ordinary cat. Second, McAvity cannot do what a fakir.
Wait for a second. How many statements are there for true and false?
5.
5 statements. Okay, now I am expecting your responses in next 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every student will write TF like that. Don't give number, nothing. Just TF in this way. Quickly type and send it. 5 seconds. Like Prakhar has done. And do it with your caps lock on. If you type in capital letters, that is better. Good. Very nice. Very nice. Almost everyone has sent. So first one is true.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now near the second statement.
False.
Read the sentence.
McAvity cannot do what a fakir can easily do.
Okay. Third.
McAvity has supernatural powers.
Is it true or false?
Sir, true.
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 Does McAvity have supernatural powers? Or poet says that it seems to have supernatural powers.
So Machiavelli have the supernatural powers, sir.
Poet says that it has supernatural powers. Actually, no one has, but we'll consider it true because in the poem he has specified, he has tried to convey that Machiavelli or any such criminal has this kind of powers. Yes, next sentence.
Machiavelli is well dressed, smart, and bright.
False.
Definitely. Yes, yes. Okay. Is that all?
No, sir, there is one more.
One more. Read that.
Machiavelli is a spy, a trickster, and a criminal, all rolled it in
True.
Yes.
True.
Okay. Good. So most of the responses sent by you were correct. You wrote it in this order only: true, false, and true. This was your response. I was observing. Good. Now, any more questions left?
Sir, two more questions are left.
Yes, sir. 2 more questions are left.
Sir, 2.
Okay. Okay. Continue reading.
Having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call Machiavelli a fiend or and monster?
Fiend and monster. Yes, Shahid.
Sir, the poet admires that cat for his swift movement, experts criminality, and the way he gives a slip to the police. But he is a lawbreaker at the same time. So the poet calls him a devil and giant.
Yes. One response I have received here in chat that also is quite similar. Fine.
Sir, I have to do that for every question.
Not for every question. We'll do all that together at the end of the class.
Okay.
We'll
सर
do
एक
it.
तो सर मैंने सेव कर ली है.
No problem. Leave this question because only 2 responses are received and true false is not required. True false is not required at all. Okay. But what we shall do is from the next class, at the end of the class, means before we are closing it, I'll ask you or you can yourself remind me and do it. Copy everything and put it in one Word file. So all the classwork during the class, whatever we have done, will be saved.
Okay, sir.
Yes, what is the last question?
Has the poet used exaggeration of special effect? Find a few examples of it and read those lines aloud.
Who will tell what is exaggeration? Exaggeration, what does it mean? How many times do you want me to ask this question? Do you want me to ask it 100 times and then only you will answer?
Sir, statement.
Don't know.
Just a minute, just a minute. What I said?
Sir, excluding out.
No, what I just said. I said, how many times do you want me to ask this question? Do you want me to ask this question 100 times? Did I actually ask it 100 times? How many times did I ask?
Sir, only 2 times.
2 times. And what did I say?
Did you want me to ask this question 100 times? Then you will give answer.
That is exaggerating something. Saying 100 times.
That means including numbers in a sentence.
Akhil is so hungry today that he can eat 10 chapatis.
For me only.
He may not. But just to emphatically say, to say with a lot of emphasis on this thing, that he is so hungry that he can eat much. He said 10 chapatis, but we know he cannot. This is exaggerating, making excessive statement about something. Understood?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now find out how many times has the poet exaggerated to talk about Machiavelli.
May I?
Sir, 3 times.
May I?
Yes, where, Shahid?
Yes, sir. Sir, 3 times. Sir, the first point is he is the bafflement of Scotland Yard. The flying squads disappear. His power of levitation, of a fiend and feline shape, a monster of depravity.
Fiend in feline shape is not exaggeration, but monster of depravity is an exaggeration. And despair for flying squad or Scotland Yard, that is also fine. And that levitation, power of levitation, that also is correct. While you are answering, 2 students have written what they wanted to say, Prakhar and Ankush, and their statements are also correct. So fine, in this way, by calling it a monster, by calling it that it defies the law of gravity, by calling it master criminal, he has tried to exaggerate the capabilities of Machiavelli. Sure, that's it. Any doubt? Any question that you wish to ask?
No, sir.
Okay. So this way we can move on to the next lesson. Right? What is the next lesson?
Vipin Chaudhary, Labs of
Sir,
Sir,
We have
so
done
the
this.
4th and 5th
Sir, we have
chapters
done
are done. Sir, the 4th and 5th chapter are done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we should do, sir, the last bargain, sir, the poem.
The Jody's phone. The Jody's phone.
Sir, we
No,
have
but sir, we
the last bargain.
the last bargain, sir.
The last bargain.
Poem, हाँ,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bargain means
Taking something. I mean,
Sir,
sir,
more
demanding something. Sir, demanding something to do a work.
bargain is a deal.
Sir, mole bhao.
Deal. Yes. It's a deal. I agree to pay this. In return, you do this for me. What is this? It's a deal. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood what does it mean? Dealing, making a deal, deciding, coming to a consensus that yes, you pay this, I do this.
Yes, sir.
You pay this, I give this. That is the deal. Now, last bargain means the final deal. What is the last bargain?
Final
The
deal.
Final deal. Okay, I'm sharing it. Have a quick look of that.
The Last Bargain. This poem is about a man looking for true happiness. The poet is looking for work. As he is walking, the powerful king volunteers to hire the poet and give him power and might. The poet does not think power will make him happy. So, he declines the offer. Next, a rich man comes to hire the poet in exchange for money. Once again, the poet realizes money will not bring him happiness. So he moves on in search of work that will make him happy. He meets a beautiful young lady. She offers to hire the poet in exchange for her beautiful smile. But the poet realizes her smile will soon disappear and melt into tears. The poet keeps walking and reaches the seashore. He sees a little boy playing in the sand with shells. The boy offers hire the worker but says he cannot pay him anything. The poet likes this offer and accepts it immediately. The innocence of the child is what attracts the poet and brings him real happiness.
Sir? Your mic is off.
Okay, sorry. I muted myself because video was playing, so you couldn't hear my question.
Yes, sir.
My question is, what did the deal close for? The final deal was closed for something, that yes, we agreed for something. What was that?
That the innocence
The deal was
of
that
boys-
he
For the
he
child's
wants real
innocence.
happiness.
Deal was for the happiness that he got, and it came from that innocent child who did not pay anything. Still, he was happy. The poet was happy.
Sir,
Earlier, power, money, love, everything was offered, and he was not happy. He doesn't close the deal for anything, and he at last closes the deal for nothing. And what was that nothing that he got? He actually got happiness, because for some time he got a chance, he got an opportunity to spend time with that innocent child who was away from all kind of worries, who was fully relaxed, and in the company of that child, poet also felt relaxed. Right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now reading of this poem we'll do in the next class. It is already time up. So we'll do it in the next class. I just wanted to share the video and we have seen it, the shorter one. Okay, remaining things. So what we have completed today, we have done the exercise of Machiavelli, the discussion of Machiavelli, and we've watched the video of The Last Bargain. That is our next poem we are going to do in the next class. That's it. We can stop here. If you have any question, you may ask, or otherwise it's time to say Sairam and leave the class.
sir, sir, in the video, sir, that the lady, sir, so what is that, sir? I didn't understand, sir. Sir, she asked for, sir.
She offered her love. She offered her friendship. She offered her smile. While explanation, we discuss all this. Okay? In the next class, when we will be doing the discussion, I'll explain.
Thank you, sir.
Sairam, sir.
Sairam.
Sairam, sir.
Sairam, sir.
Sairam.
sir.
Sairam.
Sairam, sir.
Sairam.